Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is about something every photographer and filmmaker absolutely dreads, and that is losing all your work. Whether you've accidentally formatted a memory card, deleted a folder from your drive, or your NAS got corrupted, I think we've all felt that heart-sinking moment of panic when all your files are gone. The good news is that there are ways to recover those files, and in today's video, brought to you by the lovely people over at Wondershare, we're taking a look at how you can use Recoverit V14, the newest version of the software, to bring your lost photos and videos back. I'll take you through the full process from that first "oh my god, what has happened to my files" to full recovery. So what exactly is Recoverit? It's a data recovery tool for Windows and Mac from Wondershare that helps you restore deleted, lost, or even corrupted files from hard drives, memory cards, and other storage devices. It's built with creators and professionals in mind, so it handles everything from raw photos to 4K video footage quickly, which is really important because if you ever lose files, you want to act very, very fast. The sooner you run a recovery scan, the better your chances of bringing everything back before new data overwrites or corrupts what's left. So I've got my camera here with a whole bunch of photos and videos from a recent family photo shoot and a trip to Bushy Park in London. And oh no, I just formatted my memory card and did not back up my files. What am I going to do? So let's see if we can bring back all that data with Recoverit. So this is Wondershare Recoverit, and I'm using the latest version, which is version 14. My first impression is that it's really simple to use. As you can see, it's detected my card, although because this is a CF Express card, it gets classed as an external hard drive. If you use an SD card, you will be able to use the SD card recovery tab, where it even tells you which camera it's from, along with the file system and formats it's using. It supports over 1,000 file types, including raw photo formats and 4K video files. So whatever camera you're using, it's probably most likely going to be covered. But the process for both is pretty much the same. All I really need to do is click Start Scan. The software begins with a quick scan, which lets you instantly preview what can be recovered, so you can start checking your photos straight away. Then it moves on to a deep scan, which can take a little bit longer depending on the size of your memory card. Now, during the scan, you might see multiple versions of the same photo appear. It can look a bit chaotic at first, but once the deep scan finishes, Recoverit sorts and organizes everything automatically, piecing together everything once it has all the information available as to what's on the card. On the left hand side, you'll see folders. The top folder usually contains your most recent files, but in my case, the files seem to have lost their location, so I can find the photos from my shoot in here. But you can also filter by file type, so I can go in here for the software to show me all the photo files. I can even see some photos here from a kingfisher hide that were on the card previously. Once I found the images I want, I can select them all, click recover, and choose a location to export them to, ideally not the same drive I'm recovering from. And when the process finishes, I can import everything into Lightroom, and as you can see, all the raw files are perfectly intact. Now for a second test, let's try recovering files that were deleted from an external hard drive. I've got these images here and I'm going to delete them and then empty the recycle bin. To bring them back, I need to go to hard drives and locations, select the drive I want to scan, in my case that's this Elements drive here, and start the scan. After just a quick scan, the deleted images appear right away. I can select them, click recover, and there they are, opening perfectly with no issues at all. The software also has a few other features like the AI photo enhancer. So for example, if you're only able to recover a lower res version of an image, this tool can help you to try and bring back some of the details that were lost. It can also be used for blurry and noisy photos. At the moment, you can only use this one photo at a time, so it'd be nice to be able to see a batch process. Now we've tried it with a few different images, so here are the comparisons. And as you can see, the software removed the noise and added more contrast to the images. Obviously the final results will obviously depend on the actual image in the first place. Hopefully in the next update, Wondershare will further improve this feature with some sliders to adjust the amount of denoise and contrast you can add. So what's new in Recoverit version 14? Now this new version comes with some really nice upgrades. It now uses AI to make the recovery process faster and also more accurate, which means it can recognize more devices and bring back even more types of files than before. It's also expanded its support for Mac OS, which is great. They've also added more support for SD cards from drones and action cameras as well, so these are all great features. Now Recoverit claims a recovery rate of over 95%, which definitely lines up with my experience here. In my case, Recoverit found almost everything from my formatted memory card all full resolution and completely usable. The RAWs imported into Lightroom with no hiccups. Data recovery can get really expensive. Sure, you can send your drive off to a professional service, but that will easily set you back hundreds, sometimes even thousands. So that's why software like Recoverit is great, and it's got flexible pricing options including monthly, annual, and even a one-time perpetual plan, so you can save yourself tons of money here. Now, we actually learned that the hard way. Veronica once deleted a batch of photos she thought were backed up, and they were luckily, but she didn't know that at the time, and to be fair, hasn't quite told me yet. Out of pure panic, she tried one of those random data recovery programs online, and it did absolutely nothing, and it was like $60 gone. So you do have to be careful with what people are claiming out there. Now, there is a free version of the software that lets you scan and preview your files. You'll need the actual paid plan to actually recover them, which I think is fair, but at least you can see what you can actually recover before committing to the subscription, which I think is great. Losing files is one of those things that every creator professional experiences at some point, and it is, incredibly stressful. It's gutting, and it usually happens when you least expect it, for example, on a really important paid shoot or something just very, very personal to you as well. So it can be devastating, but having a tool like Wondershare Recoverit on hand can completely change how you deal with that situation. So instead of panic, you can immediately act and get your files back, saving yourself time on costly reshooting, or the worst case scenario, losing someone's wedding photos, which I have heard happen. Now, if you want to test Recoverit 14, there is a link in the description box down below. A huge thank you to Wondershare for sponsoring this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Do subscribe to Wondershare as well, and let me know in the comment section if you've ever lost photos or footage. We'd love to hear your stories. Are they as bad as losing wedding photos? Maybe. You can also follow us on Instagram down here, and thanks again for watching if you made it this far, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Peace.